know if you can hear me really talk. This is so bad here. I wish we didn't have to live here. Yeah. Pretty much, I've become a maid. And for free. I cook for my mother, and we all know that's a job in itself. But I clean this place, I cook, I wash their dirty laundry, their dirty Fruit Looms, and what? They get to yell at me because I talk to their daughter and tell her their daughter, who does nothing around here, who rather, that guy you just seen a couple of blocks ago, she rather talk to him on the phone to 2 o'clock in the morning to keep my mother up and everything, and my mother's at her feeling good right now. I don't know. We don't have nowhere else to go. We don't have the money to go anywhere. She can't get away back to the camper. So, I guess this is my new life. Being a maid. Doing work for other people where they get to be lazy. And I'm not even old. Another thing. The little girl, she has a dog. She doesn't even take care of the dog. I feed the dog. I water the dog. I play with the dog. What she do? She takes her knock home and calls this guy. Yeah. I don't care if he sees this guy. Yeah, if you see it, your girlfriend's lazy. She treats him like dirt. She treats me like dirt. And she probably don't lie to you and everything. And I don't really care. You do that much to my mom. You know, how much I have I have. You know how much my mom. And another thing. We always told we can't say anything to poor Whitney because if Whitney says something, it's right. Whitney don't lie. If she says if she did the dishes and she ran right to bed, she did that. And she didn't stay up until almost 3 o'clock in the morning like y'all say. I'm sick of it, okay? This is what I'm cooking for dinner. Spaghetti sauce. And then the noodles go in there. I'll start doing dishes. Multitasking. Gotta stir. Got to stir. This is the way we cook the spaghetti. Alright, so. Yeah, this is just the way I cook the spaghetti. I leave on the beat. And cook the sauce.